Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Classic, Luna 2.0 and UST. If you haven't been paying attention to the chart of Luna Classic, we did have a strong pullback and there is a massive factor affecting it, as there are some officials deciding to come out with some news and also talking about how there is manipulation in the Luna Classic market. Now Binance came in with a save, and that's why you might have noticed that we have slowed down the drop off on the past 4 hours. There is a lot to talk about today, but before we get into all of that, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna Classic, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the incredible side of Luna Classic. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, I want to show you guys some important pointers of Luna Classic on the chart. So if you guys do not know, since the past 12 hours we did have a quite strong pullback on the Luna Classic price. At the same time, Terra 2.0 had an extreme pump, suggesting that all the whales decided to take the money out of Luna Classic and pump it into Terra 2.0. And also UST in the past 4 to 5 hours has had close to 50% jump, and that can be seen by the trading volume having a significant pump over 100%. Now one thing that I need to tell you guys, which is really interesting, is if you guys have not been paying attention to the Luna Classic chart, so from here we did have a strong pullback. Now that pullback has had a significant change around the past 4 hours, and there is a massive factor affecting this. Before we talk about the chart, I want to talk to you guys about the massive factor, and that is actually Binance. Exchange relisted Terra's dead Luna Classic, helping Luna Classic price pump. Binance Futures listed Luna Classic on Friday, which is yesterday. Binance will apply a tax burn on Luna Classic withdrawals deposit from the 20th of September. Luna Classic has completed a fifth wave upward movement, and the top crypto exchange without KYC is going to be adding obviously Luna Classic as well. Now this is really good, because what I'm trying to say is in the short term this is going to act as a very strong catalyst. So has increased by nearly 5-fold over the past 3 weeks, but has reached an important confusion of Fibonacci resistance levels, which could be catalyst for the short-term drop. Now keep in mind, these resistance level which they're talking about are the ones which are sitting right here. Now keep in mind that if these resistance levels are broken, then it is going to have an extreme rally up and there will be nothing slowing it down. Right now on the super trend, as you guys can see, we are on a quite strong downtrend. For the speed to be flipped around, we do have to make it all the way back to 52, and the reason for this pump, as I mentioned, Binance has also made an official post talking about the cross margin. So the new cross margin pairs that they have put in is the Luna Classic to BUSD and Luna Classic to UST. Now new isolated margin pairs are going to be Luna Classic UST. Right now it is showing that margin trading will be returned for Luna Classic by Binance, and you guys know Binance being one of the largest, if not the largest crypto trading platform, this is going to have a very positive impact on Luna Classic, and it already has, because the trading volume has significantly increased as more and more people are going to slowly start doing leverage trading over it again. And that can be seen in the past 4 hours once the price completely started going down, when all the paper hands decided to sell. Let's just say Binance came in clutch and actually helped us stay on the support level. Right now we are actually sitting on a very crucial point. If you do decide to look from the top where we started, right now we're still actually in an uptrend, and this uptrend can carry on. All we need is we need to make sure that we actually stay safe on the support. Yes, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is starting to pump back up, suggesting that the market is in a sort of bullish pattern right now. So that could mean that Luna Classic actually has so much more time to be able to climb. The only thing we need is we need to make sure that we stay a little bit stable while the whales are trying to manipulate the market. And once this manipulation comes to an end, because the whole market is in a positive trend, Luna Classic will also carry on. Just keep in mind this zone that we were in, which is the phase 5, you can keep in mind that in this zone there was no movement from the whole market. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. Nothing was going up. But on the other hand, Luna Classic did have an extreme rally. Now, when the whole market is in a positive trend, a bull market, you know, because of the whale manipulation, that is the only reason we had the strong pullback. Other than that, Luna Classic still has a huge way to go. We just need to be a little bit patient and make sure you do not panic sell. For the people who do not know what panic selling is, when you see the price start to jump down like this, if you think that the price is just going to keep falling and you decide to sell on a loss, keep in mind taking a loss on any crypto is the only time you lose money. If you do decide to hold for long term and be diamond hands, you will be completely okay. Also, if you do decide to look at the trading volume, if we just minus this one, other than that, in the past 4 hours, you guys can see slowly the buy orders are starting to outweigh the sell orders, suggesting that we're starting to see a little bit of a positive trend after this bloodshed that happened in the past 12 hours. Now keep in mind the RSI line has also touched the oversold point and just made a short recovery. Now this recovery could make us all the way back to the overbought zone, and I know that is going to make a lot of you guys extremely happy. Before we talk about that, I just want to show you guys this. The trading volume, a lot of people are saying Luna Classic, because the whales decide to take it out, the trading volume has dropped. Yes, it has dropped by 20%, but keep in mind, if you compare it to the market cap, the trading volume is still at 110% ratio, which is insane. If you compare it to any other token which is in the top 30 cryptos, nothing has this much trading volume, as nowhere near how much trading volume TERRA Classic has right now. All we need to make sure that we are able to stabilize after this fall, because a lot of whales decided to try to manipulate the market. If we just stabilize after that, there will be nothing slowing us down, and especially after the 1.2% burn rate has been implemented, you know the circulating supply is going to go down very quickly, because the trading volume is nearly $3 billion. And if you just think about 1% of that, that's close to $30 million. Now you guys see that that much would have been burnt if the whole thing was already implemented. You just need to be a little patient. You just need to be able to figure out what is happening, and you will be able to make a lot of money. Another thing which is really interesting is this is one of the reasons why the manipulation has started. So this is where the manipulation started. Everything was going good. Orbital command. Yes, this is a volatile pump. Yes, there's a lot of unstable meme energy present, but there is a real substantial foundation for this pump, and here is what we're talking about. And if you're curious about the new narrative grand vision for TERRA, here it is spelled out, and they're talking about how they're going to be decentralizing the eco needs decentralizing money. Obviously 200% pump in a day is not safe or healthy, but a lot of people genuinely see the potential in the project. Now someone that is heavily backing up Luna Classic, if they decide to make a post like this, it's obviously not going to be good. And them actually talking about this, which is the 1.2% burn, let's just say a lot of people thought this as a news and decided to take profit. I hope that makes a little bit more sense, and I hope you guys are not super angry at them. And finally, Terra Luna price could 10x if history repeats itself. Terra has rallied 300% in the past 24 hours. Now it is sitting on a very being breached, which could signal the market bottom is in. Invalidation of 10x thesis is below this number, which is not going to happen anytime soon. And if it keeps swinging up, then we can make it all the way to 99 cents by the 13th of May. Personally, I'm really excited to see. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.